Hello everybody, this is Persian with Mahtab. Today I want to teach you the third brother, khe. I have taught you the two other brothers, he and j, in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, return back, watch them and come back here and learn the third brother. Third brother is khe. Is khe sound. Khe is a very beautiful word and we have very interesting words with khe. Let's see first. Let's see how do we write khe. You start a little bit above the line and go up and a very beautiful triangle and come to the line, then one beautiful dot above its head. This is khe غیر آخر. Khe غیر آخر can come at the beginning and in the middle. At the beginning you see the word khane. Khane in Persian is home, house, khane. And khargoosh. Khargoosh. Khargoosh is rabbit. You see khargoosh and khane in the beginning and in the initial position. But غیر آخر, as its name shows, can come in the middle, like the word taht. Taht is bed. And you see khe sound is in the middle and took the hands of te and te at the beginning and at the end of the word. But we have khe akhar also. How do we write? First we go up and a very beautiful triangle, come to the line and a very beautiful curve here below the line and one dot above its head. Khe akhar. Khe akhar, you see, khe akhar can take the hand of the previous sound, as in the word yakh. In the word yakh, ice, khe akhar took the hands of ye, and it can come alone and without taking the hand of the previous sound. For instance, in the word kakh. Kakh in Persian is palace. Palace, kakh. Now let's go to the table of friendship to make friendship and connection between khe and our vowel sound to see what other words we write and how do we connect khe in different positions. Khe is a consonant, so we write it here. We write it here. And connect to vowel sound. Khe and a is kha, like the word khane. Like the word khane. Look, we write whole form khe and a and then put the dot. Then we write whole form, the tooth for ne, then a آخره, چسبان and dot for ne, khane. And we have khe and a, kha. Kha like khargoosh. You see, write the khe, ar, and geush. Khargoosh. Khe and u is khu. Khe and u is khu, like the word khub. خوب هستم. I am well. خوب. Look the way we write this khe, then the right u, return back and write the dot for khe and خوب. And we have khe o, kho. We have khe I will be khi, and خي. And we have خ e and خ. خ and خ. Now let's go. Bring your Persian notebook to give you homework. Now your homework will be خ غیر آخر. خ آخر. Now one line write خانه. One line write خرگوش. خرگوش. One line write تخت. You see? تخت. And the last word write کاخ. Palace. کاخ. This was the third brother of these 4 members. Watch the next video to teach you the last brother. Che. See you.